Good morning. It's been a week since graduation and we're in Orlando going to Disney today. We're going to be celebrating my graduation. And so I'm going to be vlogging today, and I'm also going to be doing a review of the Fenty Beauty Foundation. It's one of my favorite foundations and it literally lasts all day. So I wore it at graduation and I was ugly crying, and I wore it throughout the heat and humidity of Atlanta, and it actually lasted through all of that. So I wanted to show you how long it would last throughout a day at Disney. So follow me today as we go around Disney. We're gonna be park hopping. We're first starting in Animal Kingdom, and then we're going to Epcot. They're having their Flower and Garden Festival, so it's gonna be really pretty, and then we're gonna be stopping in Magic Kingdom. I think we're gonna be skipping Hollywood Studios because I don't think we have enough time for that because the parks close at 9 today. And so right now it is 8:56 a.m. and then I'll check back in a couple hours and let you know how this foundation's doing. So I just wanna show you for now what it looks like. So I think this is a good time to show you how the foundation is, just because my skin is really bad. I've been having a lot of hormonal acne on my chin, and it really covered it all. I mean, you can kind of see the bumps, so. But yeah, that is it. I'll check back in a couple hours. Bye. Finally inside. Where are we going now?
Pandora.
Yay! Excited. Pandora.
It's pretty nice. Gotta ride the ride first.
That's not happening. This is how long the line is. There's more. And it goes all the way in.
I know. Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Meet Rapunzel, meet
I'm gonna do
Cinderella.
a time clock of how long we've been waiting.
It used to be the pirates.
It's been 5 minutes. Maybe 10.
No, it's like
You can
5.
make Tinkerbell.
Okay. How many minutes has it been? Oh god, I'm here.
10 or 15.
Okay. How long has it been?
Half an hour.
Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team.
So, honey, what would you rate this one?
Huh?
What would you rate this drink?
Probably like a 7.5 or 8.
I would give it a 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Like good. Where are we going now, honey?
I don't know what it's called.
We're going on the Navi River journey. We just finished getting a snack.
Yeah.
The lychee drink. Oh no, night blossom drink, which is 10 out of 10. You need to try that. And then also the cheeseburger pods that you can get from the cafeteria in Pandora, which is also very good. Would you agree, honey?
Yes.
Yay. So here we are. So the animals made the cars. I don't know. So there was a delay. It was only supposed to be 40 minutes, but it ended up being longer because animals kept walking in front of the cart. I mean, what?
Yeah.
Not the carts,
The tracks.
the tracks of the ride. This is a terrible angle. Ew.
Like 18 to 20 feet, make them move also in land animals. Cow coming up.
Oh my gosh, honey. Look. So it is 5:36 and I am checking in because it's been, I left the house at 9. So it's been a good like 8 hours, right, honey?
Yeah.
8 hours. And you can see this foundation is still holding up. None of my pimples are popping through. I mean, you can tell my eyeliner is smudged a little bit. This is the steel eyeliner, so yeah. And no more lipstick, as you can see. But I mean, overall the foundation is good, and you can still see my highlight, my blush, my bronzer, everything. So yeah, I will check back in at the end of the day. We are going to the Flower and Garden Festival now. Woohoo, good food, here we come.
Ice cream with honey something.
Honey drizzle and some type of cheesecake. I don't know, but it's delicious. Honey, are you pooped?
Nope. Still gotta keep going.
Yeah. All the food is at Epcot, so you can't be pooped.
Yep. And it's freaking delicious.
Yeah.
How is it?
See, I thought it was